So, as you may know, I'm mostly building FPV quads for my channel, but today I decided to do something else. Today I would like to show you my two FPV drones which I built like recently, I'll say. And the first one will be this PDB Master 5 V2 frame, built it with the map skin motors, PDB VTX and ELRS 2.4. And I would like to mention that Mapskin kindly provide me almost everything for this build, like motors, the stack. Yeah, the stacks is also Mapskin. Yeah, the frame, the props, like almost everything. So let's see how it flies. For the radio, this is my new GX12 from Radio Master. This is pretty cool radio. I love the color scheme. White with black. This looks like kinda stormtrooper, right? For the goggles, because I'm using analog video, this one is Skyzone 04L V2. It's pretty good goggles. I have no issue with that also. Yeah. This drone is just a classic freestyler. I mean, it's not a bando basher, it's not a long range, but still you will have a lot of fun with that. It's also possible to install a GPS here, of course action camera, and it's fly pretty good. Yeah, it's like a standard 5-inch.
Welcome to OpenTX. Throttle warning.
Let's power on the drone.
Telemetry connected.
Let me hit the record button on my goggles. And also we need to remove this protection here. Okay. Okay. Everything working. Let's go. Oh, this is a nice spot, like for training. Let's see what else we have here. This is the road, some bushes, trees. Oh, nice gap also. Let's try to hit it. Okay, good. Okay. What about splitters? Yeah, this thing flies, I'll say, pretty good. Like, no issue. This is a solid drone. Here we are. Well, I'm sitting kinda weird. Whoa! Is it possible to fly through? Whoa, yeah! Oh shit. Okay, let's go to recover it. Hello, dear boy. How are you? Good? Yeah, I see no problem. Okay, battery is slightly moving, but in general no damage, even with the props. And of course big thanks to Mapskin and Jaden for sending me these motors and components for free. They have pretty good store, you can find the links in the description, and of course you have a special discount code for that, SkipTypePV. So you can find pretty much everything you need. So now let's see what we can do with another drone. This drone is something special. This is waterproof drone. It's also built with the Mapskin motors. It's PDB stack. What else I can say? Yeah, I'll say I'll struggle a bit. The glue can go inside the connector, so be careful with that if you're gonna build something like this. Also add these floaty things, so in case the drone is almost submerged, you still have a reception.
Baby.
Tick tock, yeah, the time is up. Time to dance, time to turn it up. Got the DJ bumping, bass is funk. Tick, tick tock, tick, tick, tick tock. 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 Got the DJ bumping, the bass is funk. Tick tock, tick, 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 tick tock, tick, 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 tick tock, tick tock, tick, 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 tick tock, tick, tick, tick tock. Tick tock, tick, 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 tick tock, tick, 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 tick tock, tick tock, tick, 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 tick tock, tick, tick, tick tock, tick tock, tick, 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 tick tock, tick, 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 tick tock, tick tock, tick, 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 tick tock, tick, tick, tick tock.